two-stroke. Yo! What the frick? Yo, gang, what is up? It's your boy Laws, AK Motor, bro. And we outside on the 150. And we off-roading, baby. Oh, we're going mudding, dude. Yeah, it's gonna be hard to keep up with these people. Bro, I just feel my front sliding, bro. And it gets so sketchy. Let's go on the two-stroke. Damn, I didn't even know they were behind us, bro. Let's go. I don't know. Oh, there he is. Here comes homie on his Polaris quad. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little sketched out on this freaking dirt, dude. As y'all know, I'm a wheelie boy, not a dirt rider. Let's go, a little wheelie behind them. Onto another trail. That's what we're talking about. Oh shit. Oh my god, I went into the mud section. Bro, it goes from like hard sand to soft sand really fast. We out here getting muddy, boy. Huh? So we out here getting muddy.
What's going on over there? Did you see any of that?
No, what?
There's a whole bunch of cars. There was a snow cone truck pulling up.
What the f? I didn't see none of them.
Little event going on.
Races?
Yeah. Yeah.
Like what type of races?
Like banshees and stuff like that.
What? Where? At the front?
Kinda.
Damn. Yeah, let's do it. Damn, y'all got the electric start, man. I'm over here kicking my boy. We heard some like races going on and it sounded like space shuttles going off, I swear. Like it was like shoo, like a jet flying by, so we're about to see what that is about. Bro, look at these trails though, they just go on forever. I got no idea where the hell we are anymore. Oh, every berm I'm sketching out because it's all muddy and slippery, but this is so fun, man. There's nothing better than freaking hitting some trails. There's a lot of people.
Yeah.
Or maybe this space shuttle.
Huh?
The space shuttle launch?
I have no idea.
I'm asking him. What's going on here?
A rocket launch.
Oh, that's why we're hearing that noise. Where are they shooting them?
Straight up.
Right there?
Yeah. Where the flag is at.
Damn.
Down the road.
We thought someone was like racing bikes with knots. It sounded so gnarly. It was like shoo.
No, just rockets going about 3,000 feet up.
Damn. You say what?
Some of the rockets may have nose in it.
Damn. Okay. How often do they launch it?
Once a month.
No, like in like 5 minutes are they launching another?
About every 45 minutes.
Oh. Oh shit. Yo! What the frick? Yo, so I guess these are the rockets they're shooting right here. That's cool, man. Wow. That's gnarly. We got rocket boys outside today, brother. Look at all these people, bro. That's crazy, bro. Bro, like, look, he has his rockets right there. Little PVC rocket.
You want to go back through, or you want to sit here and wait?
Yeah, well, let's watch one. They're all looking at the dirt bikes like, what the fuck?
Yeah,
They
didn't like us,
no, they're like, what are y'all doing here, bro? This ain't your area. Damn, man. His tires are really low. Whiskey. That was dope. That was dope. Hey, why does it keep stalling?
When I bought it, the dude was like, the carb needs clean.
Ah.
So I was trying to just rip it enough to blow out the carb.
Yeah.
I'm probably gonna have to take it apart.
Yeah. It only stalls when you start slowing down. Basically, yeah. You know where he's going, or?
No idea.
Yo, where the hell did he go? Oh, the pond's that way?
Yeah.
Ah, shit.
It's like right back there.
Yeah. It's good. Then now I'm stuck. Woo! That 150 don't want to start. I got it. The boy was going too fast, he lost his hat. Yeah. Woo, we're going to fast fifth gear, bro. This is fifth gear wheel speed. I don't know which way they went. Hey, you think he went to the power line?
Where do you want to stay at? We're trying to power line back.
Oh, there's. Let's go. We found him. Whoa. Woo! Them looks scare me, bro, when it gets a little bumpy like that. Oh, it's so fun just ripping these off-road trails though. Like, I need to hit a dirt bike track ASAP. Oh, shit. Bro, that 150 just got so much power. You be hitting the throttle, next second you know you're freaking going, oh, too fast. Shit, I stalled. Stalled my baby. Okay, hell yeah. What it's a 500?
Yeah, 525 there.
Damn, that's dope.